The BAGSMART Rolling Travel Backpack, Model X123, is a versatile travel companion that easily fits into overhead compartments, making it perfect for both vacations and business trips. This innovative backpack includes 2 additional packing cubes, allowing for organized storage of clothes and toiletries, keeping your belongings neat and dry. Designed for adaptability, this backpack seamlessly transitions between a conventional backpack and a rolling carry-on, offering convenience for diverse travel needs. With a spacious main compartment and a padded sleeve for laptops up to 17.3 inches, this backpack is ideal for both professional and personal use. Constructed from durable polyester fabric, this backpack is equipped with a sturdy telescoping handle and smooth rolling wheels for effortless mobility. The BAGSMART Rolling Travel Backpack combines comfort and durability with features like hideaway shoulder straps and waterproof bottom corner guards for reliable use.